Greetings and welcome to another video. In this video, I will introduce you to a 100% free AI tool that can create a website for you in less than 30 seconds, without the need for web design experience or coding skills. All you need to do is provide a name and let artificial intelligence handle the rest. Before we dive in, make sure to subscribe to this channel to always stay up to date on the latest AI tools. Thanks for joining us. Okay, the AI tool that can create a website for us in less than 30 seconds is called Durable. You can access this tool through the link provided in the description. On the main page, simply click on the Generate Your Website button. Build your website with artificial intelligence in less than 30 seconds. Yes, we are here to do just that. Click the Get Started button and let the tool access your location or enter your location manually. For example, let's choose Toronto as the location for my company. Next, specify the type of business you have. Let's say we want to create a website for a real estate company in Toronto. Here we need to specify the name of our business. I will call this company Luxury House. Oh, congratulations! The website is ready. It really took less than 30 seconds and we just made a few simple clicks. Okay, let's take a closer look at the created website. Well, this is the home page. It looks like a stylish website. The header is simple but beautiful. It has a lot of text and content written about our company and its history in Toronto. All of these texts are written with AI. Hey, look here. It even has quotes written by a customer as a positive comment. That's really interesting. If you do not like any of these sections, you can easily click on the Regenerate button to change its format. Well, in this part, we can see the Features section, which shows the types of services that can be offered by this company. Under each of these services, there is a button for more information. Don't worry, in a few minutes I will explain how to create a separate page for each of these services. Meet the Team is another section that also contains explanations about this company. We can add a button to it and link this section to a separate page. The next part contains a set of statistical data about successful previous experiences. In the Contact section, customers can send you messages or cooperation requests by entering their name and email address. And here we can see the location. In the first step, if you entered your address correctly, here you will see your exact location on map. And if you haven't entered your address accurately, don't worry, you can still edit it. And finally, the footer, which is very simple and requires changes to be implemented. Okay, although Durable created this website very quickly, we should still make some changes to fully customize it and make it more professional. And by the end of this tutorial, you'll have a professional-looking website tailored to your specific business needs. First of all, if you need to add a block or section, click on the Add Section button and select one of the available blocks. Now let's edit the header. It is obvious that the website has no identity without a logo, so I will replace the logo with the name. There are many images here, but none of them are suitable for logo. So I download a copyright-free logo from Google and upload it here. After uploading, you can adjust the size and position of your logo. Here on the left side of the header, I put some links to the social media platforms like Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook, so that customers can easily find us on social media through this website. You can also add other platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and so on. As you see, there is a button on the right side of the header that you can easily customize it. For example, you can give it a link to another page, change its color, change its text, size, and so on. And you can set it to open a new window in the browser when someone clicks this button, or to move the previous window to a new page. Also, I choose to display the header in full width and not sticky. This means that when the page scrolls down, the header is detached and does not move with it, so users can see the rest of the content. Here you can also change the background color of the header. Well, let's move on to the next block. This block looks good, but let's regenerate it to see the changes. Okay, the text and the title have improved significantly. Honestly, Experience Luxury Living with Luxury House is a creative title, but the text format needs to be edited. First, I change the alignment of the text to the center. Then, considering that Toronto is the chosen location, it's better to replace the image with a modern building or tower. Here you can also adjust the position of the image, the color, and the intensity of the background overlay. Okay, the next section is about customer satisfaction. You can add more quotes along with names and pictures of your former customers. Alternatively, if you're feeling lazy, click Generate, and the artificial intelligence will write a comment for you as a satisfied customer. After that, you can easily change the text alignment and background color as well. The next section is Features, which summarizes the company's services. Here you can remove the images and replace them with icons, but generally using more images is recommended. Each window can be easily edited. You can edit them manually or click Generate next to each toolbar to let the artificial intelligence edit for you. You must link the buttons to new pages so that when customers click on the More Info button, they will be redirected to the landing page of that particular service. And finally, you can edit the dimensions, proportions, and corners of the images and adjust the background color as you like. Consider, if you choose a dark background color, the text will automatically be white to ensure readability. Meet the Team is another section created to introduce this real estate team in more detail. It can be customized and linked to a separate page that contains more information about the team members and their expertise. Like the previous sections, if you don't like this description text, you can edit it manually or click on the Generate button to let the AI quickly create a new one. You can also change the position of the text and select an image that matches your text. Then quickly edit the size, position, and appearance of the image. Let's add a new button in this section and call it Login, so that users have to log in first to see more details about team members. We can also change its background color. Okay, this section displays some of the achievements of this real estate team. Let's edit them. You can add images instead of icons, add a button for each one to get more information about that, and even write more explanations for each achievement. As before, you can take the help of AI to write a general text about the title you have chosen. I will quickly add the explanation text for the others in the same way. And when customers click on the More Info buttons, they will be redirected to new pages specific to each of these achievements. However, since these pages have not been created yet, we can temporarily select the home page and change it later. I changed the background color of this section as well. The Contact section is one of the most important parts, as it allows visitors to send their messages. So you can quickly edit the appearance features, change the form, and even add a new label to record the date the message was sent. I just remembered a point to tell you. Note that in this video, I always manually and randomly change the background colors to create a white and gray theme, because this is just an example. However, you must have a list of color codes to design your website professionally. And for each section, use one of the color codes from your list instead of changing the color randomly, like me. In the Location section, you can enter your address, so that the map shows your location accurately. You can also change the position and style of the map and choose one of the styles that match your theme color. Finally, we have arrived at the footer. Here, if you want, you can replace the company name with the logo and change the style of your footer. Okay, our homepage is fully edited. Only the background color of the header remains, which I will quickly change. Now let me create a new page. First, choose a title for it or click Generate to let AI create a title for you. Then choose whether or not you want this page to have a header and footer. In this example, we choose both. For SEO optimization, you will need an image and description text, which you can easily create with AI. After publishing this website, you can also add any code to this page. Now click on the Save button to create the new page. Okay, here you can add some sections in this middle part. Click on the Add Section button and then choose from the available blocks. For example, I will add a block with an image and a description text, and another block with a photo gallery. You can also change the position of these two blocks. Now I'll return to the home page and link one of the buttons to this newly created page. For example, we can link this Contact button. From here, I select the new page we created so that visitors who click on the Contact button will be redirected to this page. Well, it's time to check the website. First of all, it is interesting to know that this website is suitable for all types of screen sizes. For example, for large desktops, small desktops, tablets, and cell phones in both landscape and portrait modes. Now let me leave the edit mode and view the website in real display mode. Well, this is our website. It looks very stylish and beautiful. Here, when I click on the Contact button, we will be redirected to the new page we created. Okay, but if you want to publish this website now, how much will it cost? Actually, you will have to pay a total of $12 per month for this theme, domain, and hosting fee. This seems like a reasonable price since it includes the hosting and the domain as well. And if you want to use more special services, you will have to pay $20 per month. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or feedback, please feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on the latest AI technologies and trends. We'll be back soon with more informative videos, so stay tuned.